Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things, politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Here we're going to talk about the Nyesom Wike All Progressive Congress failure to stop the Rivers State local government election from taking place in October 5. Barely a few days, perhaps a week and a few days to the October 5 local government election in Rivers State that will determine the new way, the pathway for Rivers after all the rofo fight about who is the owner of structures in that state. The Nyesom Wike All Progressive Congress, led by the chairman of All Progressive Congress Caretaker Committee, Chief Tony Okocha, has said that they will not participate in the coming local government election in Rivers State, saying there is a litigation against holding the election. So they have gone to court to stop holding the election. They think they can use the court to stop holding the election. However, the Emeka Bekee led All Progressive Congress in the state, loyal to the former governor of Rivers State and former Minister of Transportation, Chibuike Amaechi, said that they will participate in the election. They said that they will participate in the election. Now, this is the issue that we're going to address, the implication of that election taking place and what it means for Rivers State going forward and extricating itself from the stranglehold of former Governor Nyesom Wike and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Now, before I go further on this, if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours. And when you look at your screen, you can see some of my books available on Amazon. These books, I put the link to them under this video. However, if you don't have time to go and check on that link, just type on your, you can bring that to your phone, type on your Google, go to Google, type the title of any of these books and the author's name. It will take you straight to Amazon platform, where these books are available as e-copy, paperback, or hardcover. Amazon is world's #1 on print on demand, and they deliver even to the remotest part of the world. So thank you for buying some of these books, and I can tell you for free that these books, they're worth the effort, and they're worth the effort as part of your contribution to support this channel. Now, let's go further to analyze what is going on in Rivers State as regards to the October election, because that October 5 election is going to be the game changer on who is in charge in Rivers State. Now, while Tony Okocha is saying that the election will not take place because there is a litigation against it, Emeka Bekee say they are going ahead, they will participate in the election. But the most important voice on the matter has also spoken, indicating that the election will take place. The Nyesom Wike APC cannot stop that election from taking place. And we are going to look at the reason why they cannot stop it, unless if Nigeria has become a banana republic. Now, the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, they have issued a statement to maintain that there is no court ruling preventing the October 5 election from taking place. The chairman of the commission, Justice Adolphus Enebele, retired. He made this assertion during a training session for master trainers of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission staff in Port Harcourt on Tuesday. He stated this on Tuesday, and he made it clear that nothing can stop the election from taking place. And we are going to look at the points he marshaled to show that those Nyesom Wike people cannot be able to stop the election from taking place. Now, he gave the assurance in the wake of the statement by the chairman of the caretaker committee of the All Progressive Congress in Rivers State, Chief Tony Okocha, during a press briefing in Port Harcourt on Monday, where Okocha claimed that the election were under litigation and therefore could not proceed. However, Justice Enebele insisted that the October 5 election remained fixed. He disclosed that 18 out of the 19 registered political parties will be participating in the election, with over 3,000 candidates vying for various positions. Now, Enebele, to show that Nyesom Wike's Pro-Nyesom Wike group cannot stop the election, reminded them what the law said. This is what Enebele said in his statement, and I quote. He said, on July 11 this year, the Supreme Court of Nigeria, the highest court in the land, delivered a clear and comprehensive judgment that local government elections should be democratically conducted in all states yet to do so. The consequences for failing to adhere are obvious. Therefore, both the people of Rivers State and the federal government are eagerly anticipating the election. Enebele also reiterated that the election will be held in full compliance with the Rivers State Electoral Commission law, stating that the Independent National Electoral Commission is required to provide the voters' register to Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission as per legal provisions. He went on to say that Section 60, subsection 2 of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Law of 2018 provides that no court proceeding shall restrain the conduct of primaries or elections. INEC is obliged to register voters for Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission elections. The judge, retired justice, insisted. So there are clear grounds to show that the Pro-Nyesom Wike APC cannot stop this local government election from taking place. They cannot. Because remember, it was the federal government of Nigeria, led by Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that went to the Supreme Court. To challenge states over the autonomy of local government. The federal government won that case at the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court gave declarative statement, giving order that giving states 3 months to go and conduct, if they have not conducted local government election, that they don't want caretaker committees, that all states must conduct local government election if they don't have democratically elected administration at the local government level. That is the highest court in the land. We know that this country is turning to what we don't know, that people can always go to courts and then courts will do one magic. But the Supreme Court gave a declarative statement ordering states that don't have that have not conducted local government election to do so. In fact, they threatened to withhold the allocation, local government allocation from such states. That's the order by the Supreme Court. And even the federal government itself has set up a committee, I think headed by the Secretary to the Federal Government of Nigeria, to ensure the implementation of the local government autonomy. So the Supreme Court was very clear about this matter. So I don't know the court that these Nyesom Wike people are planning to go to or what they intend to do. What is giving them confidence that they can stop the election? When the Supreme Court, and that was what Enebeli was reminding them, Justice Enebeli was reminding them, that this thing is not a question of Rivers, it's out of the hands of Rivers State. The Supreme Court say, go and conduct this election if you have not conducted it. And obediently, in line with that directive, the Rivers State government has this fixed October 5 as the date for the election. So nobody has any right to go to any court, and no court has any right to challenge that declarative order by the Supreme Court and say you cannot conduct the election. So we have to see what magic they're going to perform between now and October 5. But like the Justice Enebeli reminded them, the Supreme Court is on the side of Rivers government. At least that's what their declarative statement meant. And many states, in line with that directive, have gone on to conduct local government election without any incident. Rivers State should not be an exemption. Now, the Justice Enebeli also referenced the electoral law of Rivers State that also stated that that section stated that no court proceeding shall restrain, and that section of the electoral law in Rivers State, you say shall, not may. You say no court proceeding shall restrain the conduct of primaries or election. So no court can stop this election based on the electoral law of Rivers State. But I know they will continue to try, since the courts in Nigeria appear to be very friendly to the APC and all that. So we may never know what else magic they're going to perform, but that is the law covering that election in Rivers State. No courts can stop the proceeding. It therefore means that the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission is on a good state to conduct the election on October 5, no matter the shenanigan that the APC Nyesom Wike APC will spring up ahead of the election. Whatever is your position on this, I would also like to know. What do you think about the position of the justice of the chairman of Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, that nothing will stop this election from taking place? I think the man is standing on the side of the law. Anything contrary to it will be against the law. Whatever is your position, let us know at the comment box so that we can also analyze your spurious argument on this matter. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.